I'm Chelsea Cohen, co-founder of badassbusinessbuilders.org. I've been selling on Amazon since 2014, and I love
My name
it.
is Chris Jones from ZonLifeSuccess. That's Zon, not Zone. I'm 26 years old from the UK. I've been selling on Amazon FBA, strictly private label, for the last 3 years now.
Well, thanks. My name is Dave Kettner, and I'm actually one of the co-founders of AMZ and Beyond. I am an Amazon seller, e-commerce seller, and I've been internet marketing since 1998.
We put our brand name in our listing titles. Definitely. The reason that we do this is because our brand name is now a recognized brand name. I don't think that it's necessarily something that a beginning seller has to do. I think that they should use those words to get keyword ranking as much as possible. But once you have built a brand asset and people are actually searching for that brand name and bidding against it in PPC, you should definitely use it in your title.
Brand name, we actually do put in our title, but we don't actually have it. It is not always together in the title, and we definitely never have it in the beginning of the title. The beginning of the title is so important to your main keywords, and I know there's times where Amazon makes you do that, but there's ways around that. We put the brand name in our title, yes, but sometimes it's actually spread out. By spread out, I mean the brand name isn't always next to each other. So if we have a keyword that's part of our brand name, which is what we try to usually do, we have it in the title, and then the second part of the trade name, or the brand name, which is usually just a two-part brand name, a two-word brand name, we have it somewhere in there as well, which meets the criteria of having that brand in your title.
For the first 2 years, Matt, I actually did do that. I actually put my brand name in the title, in the key features, and in the description, as well as the back end. But over the last kind of year and a half, I've moved away from that because I now realize that Amazon index your brand name anyway. So if that, you keep repeating your brand name within your title and maybe for some added exposure, but how much is it actually doing for the algorithm? I'm personally not sure. So instead, I've done more data-driven keywords in replacement of doing that.
Hey, listen up. Big news. Big news. The next few minutes may change your private label business in a big way. It's been 2 years since Helium 10 was born, and it's now the #1 Amazon software suite containing over 20 tools for smart Amazon sellers. But the big news is that Helium 10 has launched 2 new product research tools. The first one is called Black Box. Black Box, like the data devices on aircraft that store everything. That's what this is, a black box for Amazon. Helium 10 currently has the largest Amazon product database on the planet and crushes the competition with over 450 million products being tracked. This way, you don't ever miss out on an opportunity. And Black Box is the #1 tool for product research if you're not sure what you're looking for. It's super easy to use. Let me give you an example. You can sift through millions of products in seconds by setting your criteria. Like, if you want a baby product that sells at least $50,000 per month, weighs less than 2 pounds, but sells for at least $40 and has no more than 90 reviews, so you can dominate that product niche. Yes, it can be that detailed, and you'll be surprised at the incredible profit opportunities that appear that you never even thought of. It's how I found one of my winning products that generated over $200,000 in sales in its first month, and that ended up being over $76,000 in profit for just that one product in just that 1 month. It's a product I would never have thought of and didn't even know people were looking for. The next product search tool is called X-Ray. It's called X-Ray because an X-ray shows you the important stuff on the inside, right? The Helium 10 X-Ray tool is different from Black Box and is a necessary tool because X-Ray is for those of you that already know what you want your product to be. Type the keyword phrase into Amazon, see the results, and then click on our X-Ray button on our Helium 10 extension, and bam! Just like an X-ray, you see the inner workings of each of those products that are showing up in the search results, like how many units they sell per day or per month, or how much money they're making, and so much more. And new features are being added weekly. But wait, we've also deleted the old Magnet keyword tool and started over. We now have Magnet 2. Magnet 2! Which is by far the most powerful keyword tool on the market. But don't take our word for it. Try it against the competition. Even the most obscure keyword phrase will pull up relevant keywords for you to use in your listing and crush it. Without the best keywords in your listing, you're always going to be leaving money on the table. And Magnet 2 doesn't stop there. You also get the exact match monthly search volume for those keywords. Not from Google or another search engine, but actual search volume from Amazon. That's where so many other keyword tools miss the mark. They're guessing. Don't guess in your business. Magnet 2 is so accurate that we use those numbers in our popular CPR launch strategy that thousands of Amazon sellers have used to get their products to the top of page 1 for just about any keyword phrase they're targeting. If you haven't tried Magnet 2 for your keyword research, you're missing out. Check it out today. Now, That would be enough to make most people happy, but Helium 10 should probably change its name to Helium 20 Plus because we keep adding new tools and features every month without raising the price. Helium 10 is still the same price it was 2 years ago when it only had 3 tools. Now there are over 20 tools to help you with product research, keyword research, listing optimization, hijacker alerts, inventory protection, refund reimbursements by Amazon. By the way, I've gotten back over 5 figures so far using Refund Genie. Checking product trends so you know what their best-selling months are so you can time the market. A built-in profit calculator in our Chrome extension. A tool for spying on your competitors' inventory levels. Another tool for downloading all the reviews of any ASIN you want for research on how to make your product better. And so many other tools. 100% of my product and keyword research is now done in Helium 10. There's no need to go anywhere else, ever, and use tools that are inaccurate or buggy. It would be silly to do so. Everything is in one place at helium10.com. You can create a free account at Helium 10 now to try out most of the tools. It's the best thing you can do for your Amazon business. And Helium 10, guys, it was designed by me and engineered by the smartest people I know on the planet. Engineered to save you time and make you money. And if you become a paid member and you feel it's not for you for any reason after trying it, Helium 10 has an unconditional money-back guarantee. There's absolutely no risk and everything to gain. Head over to helium10.com. Keep on crushing it.